A guide you to change YouTube language on app mobile. So for that, firstly, let's go to the YouTube app like this. And after going to the YouTube app, now you need to tap on the profile, which means you here. And after tapping on that, you need to go ahead into the settings, which is over the top. And from there, you can access all the YouTube languages here. And now if you need to change the language, you need to tap on the general here. And there you can go to the app language, which could be found below the appearance. Just tap on that here like this, and here it will give you all the languages that are available, and you can scroll down to find any of the language that you need, and you can change like this. And tapping on change, I can change to the Chinese here, and that would be refreshed and that would change, and you could see that it has been changed. I can scroll down like this to find again any other language. So we can scroll like this to find, let's say I'm tapping on English again, tapping on change. And now here you could see I choose English and that has been changed. This is how you change YouTube language on app mobile. Thank you.